The 2010 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, auto dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.